We do feel passionately about making sure that every student has the best classroom experience that they can have at ICMS.
I'm really glad ICMS invested in this technology because we'll be able to have it after COVID, and I feel like it's something that our uni has that makes us just a bit more special than any other uni.
Whereas other institutions might be cutting back their investment, we have actually ramped up our investment because we need to keep the remote students, those learning in a virtual environment, we need to keep them engaged. We need to find ways for them to be excited about coming to class and feeling like they're getting the Australian education which they enrolled for.
So I'm happy with the ICMS new technology that allowed me to study online, and also can give us the opportunity to study with other students even though we are not actually in Australia.
So even though they might be in Germany or they might be in Vietnam, they're receiving the Australian education that they expected when they signed up pre-COVID. So going forward, we can now offer them greater flexibility, and when the borders do reopen, we'll continue to offer students this flexibility.
We needed to be able to test systems as they were installed, and a lot of changes happened. And key to the success of the classrooms was the fact that Merge were able to accommodate our changes.
I'm really happy that ICMS has chosen to invest in this sort of technology because I think it will differentiate us and it will allow the classroom experience to be a lot better and a lot more improved, especially with being at home and on campus.
For us, it's always about the student. So at the heart of everything we do is the student and the student experience in the classroom. So when we looked at various options, we always had the student in mind and we looked for a solution that would enhance the learning experience in the classroom. It always starts with the student.
Following the completion of the project, we always need support, and being able to ring Merge or send them an email and know that they'll act promptly has been great.